हेलो बच्चों, good morning to all. I am Sikander sir, and today I come with the new topic, that is the work, energy and power. Yes, that's a very important questions for 11 12 students and also those who are preparing for the competition exam. Is it clear? And junior sections also they can see this video. Okay, because in the junior there is also related work, energy and power. So come to the point. Now we discuss work, energy and power. Work, energy and power. Okay, so this is our topics. Now we will discuss, and you know that what is the work? Can you see? Work. Yes, work means what we do. Yes, what we do, that is the work. If we study, but you know that simple things not, but we will take the component also. There is some particular things related our physics we will discuss here. Is it clear? Okay, so work, first we define what is the work. Can you define? Yes, that is work. What means works? It is the product of applied force and displacements of the object, or the work can be defined as the force applied on the object to displaced in the direction of force. Yes, that can also. So you can write it can be defined as the product of applied force and displacement covered by object in the direction of force. Can we write, or simple things you can write, work equal to force into displacement. Can we write? Very good. Work equal to force into displacement, and you know that the force can be write mass into acceleration into displacement can be write. Okay, very good. You know that mass we measure in kg, acceleration we measure in meter per second square, displacement in meter. So you write kg meter square s minus 2. So this will be the unit. Or you can also write, what you will write? You will write this one kg for m for l, s for t, and this will be the dimensional formula of work. And you know that the SI unit, what is the SI unit? You know that the force we measure in Newton, displacement in meters. Newton meter can be write, or you can write this one joule also. Can we write joule also? And you know that the CGS Newton we measure in dyne. Yes, dyne. This or this meters, that is a distance or displacement we measure in centimeters. So or you can write dyne centimeters, and you know that the joule we measure in erg. Yes, erg. Can we write? So this is the CGS unit and this is the SI units. Both we can write. Okay, very good. You know that when the force acting on the object, so it displays, it may be in the opposite direction, it may be in the same directions. Okay, but you know that the work may be positive, may be zero, may be negative. Okay, in all three cases we will find how the work will positive, how the work will negative. Suppose that here is one object is here, and it is at point A. So whenever the force F is acting, so you know what you will, and it moves in the direction of this displacement. This displacement, S is the displacement between A to B. So what you will write here? You will write W is equal to Fs. W is equal to Fs. Okay. And you know that if you will take here, this is the component. This is the component, so you can write Fs cos theta. Fs cos theta, or W is equal to mod of F mod of S and then cos theta. Can we write? Okay, very good. And you know that according to this, okay, formula, we can find out, suppose that it is moving in the direction of like that, this, and suppose that this is the displacement and object is moving also in the same directions when the force is applied. On that case, what you will do? Directly you will multiply W is equal to Fs. Theta will what? 0. Theta will, so cos theta, and theta will 0. So cos 0 equal to 1. That is the W is equal to Fs into 1. W is equal to Fs. We got the formula. W is equal to Fs at what condition? When the object moves in the direction of applied force. Okay, it means the theta will 0. At that case, you will take another. I'm going to take, you take, suppose that object displacement and applied force both are opposite. Okay, suppose that here is the object, the force is here and displacement is here. So what will happen? And then you will write W is equal to Fs cos theta. Theta you will take 180. What is the value of 180? Cos 180. Cos 180 minus 1 means W is equal to Fs into minus 1. W is equal to minus Fs. So we got, whenever the object moves in opposite directions, or you can say that where the force is applied and displacement is reversed. On that case, you will use this formula. Directly you put, and suppose that the objects and displacements are acting perpendicular. Perpendicular means what? Suppose that here is the object, and this is the force applied, and this is the displacement, and angle between them is the 90 degree. 90 degree means what? Suppose that a pulley takes baggage or anything on their heads and movings. Okay, so the force and the displacement, see that this is the displacement and this is the force and displacement is moving, either you, okay, force, this is the force and this is the displacement. What is the angle between them? 90 degree. So you will take here also W is equal to Fs cos theta. Theta is equal to 90 degree. Cos 90 equal to 0. So W is equal to Fs into 0. W is equal to 0. You can write here. Okay, very good. So students, we can see that we have W equal to Fs. W is equal to minus Fs. W is equal to 0. So you can say that the work may be positive, work may be negative, work may be 0. Can we see? Okay, very good. Now suppose that one object, okay, is moving when the force is acting. One related this one question I am going to take. Sanity race. Okay, very good. So come to the point. Okay. And before it, students, those who are the new students, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, because you know that what will happen, it will give potential, and continue. I will try to give you maximums and whatever you will comment. Okay, so waiters, if you have any problems related this, you can comment me. I will try to, okay, give you such type of classes. Okay, now suppose that A is the points and here one object is line here. One object is line, and when the force is acting, that is the, suppose that 50 Newton force is acting, and due to which it displaces A to B here. Then what you will write here, and suppose A to B is 20 meter displacement. So work done, what will be the work done? Work done you will write here Fs directly you will write. Okay, angle is not mentioned. If the angle will given, then you can put the angles. So here we will W is equal to Fs, F that is the 15, S that is the 20, and this will be 300 joule, work joule. Okay. But suppose that if you will have to convert joule to what? In CGS unit. CGS unit, then multiply this one. You convert, okay, in what? In dyne, and this you will in centimeters. You can write also that, okay. And suppose that the object are moving. Suppose the object moving in the circular path. Circular path A, the object start from A and again reached at point A. So what is the displacement? Displacement is equal to 0. If the displacement is 0, so work done will also 0. Why? Because W is equal to Fs cos you take or not, what if it is given, okay. So Fs, that is the F, whatever it is given. Suppose that F is given, here is the you take, suppose that F is equal to 10 newtons, and so here will be 10 into, and displacement will 0, because the shortest distance we take now. So here will be 0, that is the 0. So work you can say this will be the 0. This will be the 0. But whenever it will moves in the opposite direction, so displacement you will take the negatives. Displacement you will take the negatives, and many, okay, related your questions. I will try to give you more questions. Okay, students. So I think that all you have written, and more questions we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.